When I was a child, I went to the park with my father. We played and enjoyed a lot. He taught me take care of all the trees in the parks because we could rest under the shadow of forest. Since then, I started to love the environment. I love the nature and everything that lives in it. I knew the good thing about taking care of my ambient, and daily I think about how helping it. I think that alive is as alive, and both are love. The smallest things to be part of the life, and the life is the top. For this reason, I study environment engineering. And why the other people to attending it? I am a mom. I think in my daughter. I wish to prepare a better world for her.